So today's video is going to be a little mini tutorial on how I do my winged eyeliner. So I'll be showing you two looks today, just basically my basic winged eyeliner that I do and how I get this kind of edgy extra wing eyeliner that I've got going on here. I've been wearing this a lot on my Instagram and a few of you have asked me how I do it, so I thought today I would do a little tutorial on how I do my eyeliner. I'm not gonna lie, it's a struggle filming tutorials. I'm not a professional, so bear with me. But yeah, if you guys want to see how we get this eyeliner look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get into it. I feel like I look super overexposed right now. Hopefully my camera fixes itself. I have no idea what's going on. So for my eyeliner look, I've done basically all my makeup. I probably look a little crazy because I haven't got any mascara on or anything like that at the moment, because we're going to go in with eyeliner. So I thought first I'll talk through the eyeliners that I personally love and use, and also ones that I would recommend. So I really feel like I look extra bright right now. I don't know what's going on with my camera. Let me see if I can fix it. Did that fix it a bit? I'm not sure. I hope that it did. And I will obviously zoom you guys in when I do the eyeliner. So eyeliners that I really like to use are my favorite that I purchased like 5 of these already, I swear, is the House Laboratories or House Labs Lady Gaga's makeup range. They're felt tip pen liner. I feel like my voice is a little croaky today too. I do apologize. I had my COVID vaccine, my last COVID vaccine on Monday. I felt fine for a while, and yesterday afternoon I got super achy, felt really not that good. And I feel like I just sound a little bit but I'm feeling a bit better today. So I feel like I'm overexposed again. I don't know what is going on with this lighting. But this is a really good one. You can purchase these off Amazon. I don't know if there's anywhere else that sells it. But yeah, love this eyeliner. It's got a really good felt tip. Felt tip looks like this. It's quite a big felt tip, but I feel like, to be honest, you get used to using it really quickly. It's a flexible tip as well. If you would like something a bit more precise than this, I'd say Kat Von D's tattoo liner is another really good one. I think they're both about the same price point. I think this is about £20. I think the Kat Von D one is maybe slightly more. That's another really good one, which has a much smaller, more precise felt tip, and I find it's a little bit more flexible. It's more like brush tip than this being like a felt tip, if that makes sense. But that's another really good one that I used loads before this was released. Would still purchase it again, but I feel like if you like more of a dramatic wing, this is just super easy to use. I would highly recommend this. And another eyeliner that I really love is the NYX matte liquid eyeliner. So this one is like a brush tip, again, super fine tip. And this one dries super matte. It lasts so long, and I find actually this wears better than this. Both are so good, don't get me wrong, but I wear this to work, and because it's super matte, I find it doesn't transfer. It lasts through my long 11-hour shifts, whereas this one, if you get like oily eyelids, or sometimes if I'm really hot I'll get like sweaty eyelids, I don't know if that's weird, it will kind of transfer a little bit, whereas this one is just amazing. I actually use both of these when I do my funky eyeliner look, which I'm going to be showing you. So I'll show you basically 2 eyeliners that I wear at the moment. So usual wing, and then I will show you my funky wing. I don't even know what to call it. I basically just draw an extra wing. You guys that have requested this video will have seen it obviously on my Instagram and all that stuff, and my TikTok. So I think that's mostly the eyeliner look that you guys wanted to see, so we will do that as well. So it's kind of like 2 eyeliner looks, basic and a bit of an edgy one, and I use both of these eyeliners for that. You don't need to, but that's what I do. So I'm going to zoom you guys in now and get into it. I really do feel super overexposed today, but I don't know how to mess with the camera settings, so yeah, this is just how it's gonna be. I'm sorry. But I've zoomed you right into my face, my imperfect face. I've got a pimple here. Yeah, I need to also wax the top of my eyebrows, but ignore that. So, flip my hair back. Right, hopefully I get this in shot. I'm really bad at recording makeup videos and actually showing you guys what I do. So, first of all, I'm going to go with my normal wing. This is what the eyeliner by House Labs looks like up close. I again don't know if it's really going to focus, but this is what it looks like. And we are going to go in with our normal wing. So I like quite a long dramatic wing. Obviously you can tweak it to how you like, but you guys asked to see my eyeliner routine, so I guess I will show. So I like to start on the eyelid. Again, I feel like I'm not gonna show this very well. Take it right into the inner corner. The lines don't have to be perfect at first because we will just go over it and tweak it. That wasn't supposed to happen. Look at me now. I usually do my wing within seconds. I'll end up screwing it all up. Okay, take my wing out. I take my wing out all the way to the corner of my eyebrow. Like so, but this eyeliner is really easy to use. Like, it just swipes straight on. Oh, it's hot in this room, but I don't want to turn my fan on because it's going to be super loud. And then just tweak this a little. Make sure they connect up nicely. And just tidy up the edges. To be honest, when you first get this, it's super fresh and what's the word, wet. I've had this for a few months now. These last so long, they don't dry out. Every other, except the Kat Von D one, eyeliner that I have bought that's like a pen type thing dries up insanely fast, and this I find that it doesn't, so it lasts such a long time. Obviously I do have hooded eyes, so it's not perfect the way I do my eyeliner, because when my eyes are open you can see it's not, you know, I don't do the hooded eye trick, to be honest, but when I do my funky wing it fixes everything. So that is basically just my straight up eyeliner that I do, to be honest. If you've got hooded eyes, there's another trick I do, but I'm not going to do it today, where you can do an extra line here and connect to the wing. It kind of looks kind of geometric when your eyes are closed, but it makes the wing when your eyes are open just look really sharp and nice. Okay, so that is the wings done. Another thing I like to do is, if you are like me, I just realized I got like dead skin on my lip, that's nice. If you're someone like me that wears like falsies and stuff and you get like lash glue and stuff stuck in your eye, I go in with my liquid liner and just go right into that lash line. I find it just covers perfectly. I'm actually not too bad today with lash glue in my eyelashes, but it just gets right up tight in the lashes, whereas I feel like the felt tip doesn't do that. Oh my god, my dog is snoring so loud. I do apologize. This is just really, I'm not good at makeup tutorials, guys, so I'm sorry about the mess of this video. So now I'm going to show you what I do with my funky wing. I'm obsessed with doing this currently. It's like my go-to thing to do when I'm off work. So yeah, it's really simple to do. And I mean, don't get me wrong, I always screw it up. It happens. They're never going to be equal, but this is just how I do it. So I basically do a line from my crease. I was like, what's the word? My crease, to connect it to the eyeliner. So I like to do it just above the crease, because I find if I draw it right in the crease is when it will wear and bleed and stuff. But this lasts all day. So you can use a felt tip for this. I find it's just trickier with a felt tip because the felt tip pulls your eyelid a bit more, whereas this, because it's like a paint almost, it goes on super smooth, so you don't get any dragging and it just applies perfectly. So I'll show you guys what I do. So I basically draw roughly where I want it to connect. Again, it's not perfect. Connect those wings up. Sometimes it ends up thicker than other days, but it is what it is. Okay, so I don't even know if I really filmed any of that on camera. I was trying so hard and I got a shaky hand with my mirror. I'm usually like, I get like shaky anxiety hands as it is, so I usually have like my mirror on my knee and I'm like concentrating, but trying to film it on the camera is so hard. I'm actually sweating as well. So this is what I do. It turned out a little thick today. Sometimes it turns out thinner, sometimes it turns out thicker. Again, you draw the line and you just gotta go with it. It looks different every time I do it, but you can always just neaten it up and it kind of works. Again, they'll never turn out completely symmetrical. You just kind of gotta wing it. So they turned out a little thick and dramatic today, but it's not bad. Like I said, sometimes I do it thinner. But I hope I got a shot of that on camera. It was so difficult to show and the line was just getting squiggly and you just gotta neaten it up. Again, I'm not perfect. I'm not a makeup artist. I've been doing this eye look for a couple of months now and I fuck up all the time. So if you do try this, there's gonna be a lot of trial and error. Even again, for me, I still screw up my eyeliner even with years of practice. So I just love how this looks, especially if you've got hooded eyes like me. I just feel like you can just see it from your eyes being open and closed. I love how it looks. I don't know, I do it like this all the time and I think it looks really nice if you just do a big pop of colour on the lid like I have today. I've got pink on the lid. It just looks really cool. And like I said, if you make sure you do it above the crease, if you've got hooded eyes like me, is when you will still see it with your eyes open. And yeah, I just love it. Just gives an extra added drama to the wing. And like I said, if you use this NYX matte liquid eyeliner, it doesn't transfer or move or anything, so you won't have to worry about it bleeding into your eyelids or anything like that. And like I said, I do most of it above my crease, so you don't again have any of that worry of it being trapped in your crease line and if you get oily lids it transferring. The only bit that touches the inner part of my lid is when you connect the corner. So as you can see, I do it kind of just before halfway in my lid point, because I find if you take it all the way in, I don't know, I just don't find it doesn't look as good personally. But you take it about halfway into your lid, making it thinner and thicker on the way out and just connecting it to the tip of your eyeliner. And yeah, it's not super hard to do. Don't get me wrong, it's hard to get a steady hand and do it. It's not going to turn out perfect, but even when it's not perfect, I still think it looks badass. So I hope I got that on camera and I hope that helps you guys how to do like a basic wing and a funky wing. If you guys do this wing, I would love to see, to be honest. So I'm gonna quickly pop on my mascara, lashes and stuff and show you how it looks when it's completely finished. Okay guys, so this is the finished look for my signature eyeliner. I really hope you guys found this helpful and it wasn't like a hot mess. I find it super hard, like I said, to film like, I don't know, tutorials and stuff on YouTube. It's so hard getting it. Like, I don't know how people do it, to be honest. So sorry if it was a mess, but you guys asked for it and I hope it was helpful. So this is what it looks like with some mascara, some lashes on top. And I just think it looks super cool. Like I said, you can really see the extra wing, I don't even know what you call it, like is it an extra wing, I don't even know, on top, poking through. Obviously you don't even need to wear eyelashes, like falsies or anything to rock this. Yeah, it just looks sick and I'm just like obsessed with doing it like this at the moment. So if you guys do rock this eyeliner look or recreate it or anything, I would love to see, so make sure you guys like tag me on Instagram or anything. I would, yeah, love to see, and also let me know what you think down below. Also lately I've just been really struggling with video ideas. I feel like YouTube is like my platform that I always let slide, and I don't want to let it slide because I still get so many of you, surprisingly after all the years that I've kind of been on and off YouTube, asking me for more videos and this and that, which like I truly appreciate that some of you still really enjoy my YouTube videos. I just don't know, since YouTube's changed so much over the years, I don't know what people film on YouTube anymore, if that makes sense. So yeah, if you guys have any requests on things, look at my dog just asleep in the background, oh my god. If you guys have any requests or ideas of stuff that you'd like me to film, then please do let me know. This was a request on Instagram, what you guys want to see, I want to like create for you. So if you guys have any obviously ideas for videos, then I would love to recreate that for you. So I'm currently enjoying a fortnight off work, some time out for myself. I've been super stressed and wound up lately, so I'm trying to just unwind, get some content out for my platforms and just take some time for myself. So I do have time at the moment to do videos and stuff for you guys. It's just really hard and overwhelming sometimes to upkeep everything. Like I work a full-time job, and then I'm trying to live stream on Twitch every weekend, and then YouTube gets pushed behind, and trying to do TikToks and stuff, which is like my biggest platform currently. It's just a lot of stuff. So like I said, any help on ideas and stuff is totally appreciated. But hope you guys enjoyed this little mini tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Make sure you check out my description box down below for links to my social networking sites, such as my Twitch, where I live stream every weekend and at the moment daily while I'm off work. So please check me out on Twitch. I'm always up for new people joining my chat and Twitch. And obviously Instagram and TikTok are down below as well if you don't follow me on there. But thanks for the continued support, you guys. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!